A meeting of all faith leaders with Chief Secretary M.S. Rao was held today to finalize the standard operating protocols for reopening of religious places and weddings and to seek the support in the vaccination efforts of the government. Following the meeting, the Chief Secretary informed that although vaccination to congregate won't be made mandatory, it is advised to get immunized.
No, this meeting was to discuss and finalize the SOP for opening religious places, SOP for weddings, and also to seek the support of all faith-based institutions in the vaccination efforts of the government. So broadly, these were the three things discussed. It will be an advisory, but it will not be mandatory. But yes, it will be an advisory that it is better that only vaccinated people attend. To have a better reach in our publicity efforts also, it is better to open places of religious worship in a limited way, because that will enable. See, our input is most of them, and I would say 90% plus, they are all in favor of vaccination. So it'll also help the government in the sense that they can reach out to their respective congregations. See, today because the places are closed, they are also finding it difficult because online medium has its limitations. So we expect that with this opening it will also help the vaccination effort of the government.
Meanwhile, Swami Hikakananda also requested devotees to get vaccinated before they come to offer their prayers.
But one question, I raised this point that even if you want, suppose any standard institution have in their protocol that only vaccinated people should come to our campus. But religious people asking your adherents, you show your vaccination card or anything, this is quite embarrassing. More about this age of 65 and others. I raised this issue. Suppose churches have their weekly and other congregation frequent. But in our Hindu religious organization, hardly 5 or 6 major celebrations are there. I told that actually I am facing this question, some aged couple. Many people don't come on their own. But some people are so devoted, whatever happens I want to see. Swamiji, what is the guarantee that I shall be able to attend your next Durga Puja? I may die before that. Why you are not allowing me to come? These are very sentimental questions. It is very difficult to answer actually. So we shall tell everybody, at least those who have not taken both these jabs, aged people, they should not come. And if they come, attend from home, because we are almost all programs are being broadcast online. Only one, without coming on all days, at least one day you come.